Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News for Thursday, June the 12th, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Labucan. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. Today, or each day, I go through a bunch of press releases. I find the best ones that stand out to me. I discuss what it was about their news that stood out, and I also give you some insights into what I see in their stock charts. Each day we try to keep the show to about a 10-minute time frame, and on today's show we'll have we only have 4 companies to talk about, so we'll have no problem with that time frame. The first company to talk about today is an AGORACOM sponsor called Newnote Financial Corp. Newnote Financial and Brizio Innovations form a strategic partnership relationship to implement Bitcoin virtual currency for the Good e-reader app store. This is a strategic relationship. They're developing and implementing a Bitcoin virtual currency payment system for Brizio's Good e-reader app store. Upon completion, Brizio expects that the Good e-reader app store will be the largest independent app store in the world to allow Bitcoin and or virtual currency transactions. So this is a the Bitcoin is getting more and more advanced, and these guys are moving into the Bitcoin space. And Newnote's stock symbol is NEU, and they trade on the Canadian Securities Exchange. The next company today is Kaminak Gold. Kaminak Gold announced that they have done their 43-101 compliant preliminary economic assessment on their 100% owned Coffee Gold project, and it came back with some very robust numbers and a pretty quick payback on their production. What stood out the most about the preliminary economic assessment to me was that they will have an all-in sustaining cash cost of $688 per ounce of gold. So really good numbers on the low-cost production type numbers. And you can find more of the details in the press release. Another interesting part is that they used a $1,250 gold price to do their analysis. So, I think that that's the very low end of the gold price over the coming years, and so this looks very interesting as well. Kaminak stock is down 8 cents today. Now, bear in mind that this news came out yesterday, and I think the stock was up about 20% or something like that. So they're giving back a little bit of those gains today. They're trading at 85 cents on 577,000 shares traded hands. And, the company has had a big spike, so it's hard to say what their stock's going to do in the next little while. But very interesting news. KAM is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Pilot Gold. Pilot Gold discovered a new copper-gold porphyry system at their TV Tower project, which is in Turkey. This is one that I follow Pilot Gold very closely, mainly because of their new discovery in Nevada. But they've also got this project over in Turkey that looks quite interesting as well, and they had some very good results out of that. You can find that all in the company's press release. Stock is up 4 cents today, traded 268,000 shares, last at $1.54. This company's had very good performance of late. Stock was trading at around 84 cents. Just in December, has since moved up quite aggressively. Most of that move, I'd say pretty much all of that move, is because of the discovery that they've made in Nevada. I like this company a lot. and PLG is their stock symbol. They trade on the Toronto Exchange. And the final company today is Cypress Development. Cypress Development announced drill results from their project in Nevada. This was a phase 1 drill program, and it's located directly west of Barrick's Bald Mountain Gold Complex in the White Pine County of Nevada. And they hit some pretty big numbers of zinc, 175 feet of 12% zinc at Gunman. Starts very close to surface. Included in there is some silver as well that looks pretty interesting in that hole with 175 feet. They also hit some good numbers on the silver as well. So an interesting project. Just looking at they got 150 million shares out. Stock traded last at 2.5 cents. They're up 0.5 cent today on 9.16 million shares traded hands. Wow, it's just traded a lot today. Just looking at the stock chart, and yeah, flatliner, patchy trader. Hard to say anything about the stock chart, but definitely some interesting drill holes there to take a look at. CYP is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. So that's all the news for today. As always, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. And join us Tuesday through Thursday for the news show. That's dependent on news. If there's not much news, like yesterday, we skipped the show. And then also join us at the end of the week for the best of the best stock picks of the week with George Cholis and I. On that note, you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.